Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box and some features of the PT100 Waterproof Thermometer with Probe, the C370-IC. The C370-IC is an RTD thermometer with a measurement range of -100 to 300 degrees Celsius. It features a 2-second sampling rate and is waterproof rated to IP67. The thermometer is straightforward to use and includes user-friendly features such as recording of minimum, maximum and average temperatures, display of battery life. It is PT100, PT500 and PT1000 selectable and has a large backlit LCD screen. In the box there's a certificate of calibration, an instruction manual, a PT100 probe, and the handheld display. This features the large multi-level screen, 6 buttons, these are power, backlight, hold, relative readout, minimum, maximum, average, and the temperature unit selection between Celsius and Fahrenheit. On the top of the unit is the PT type temperature sensor connector, and on the back is the battery compartment. To get started, simply line up and plug in the temperature probe and screw to tighten into place. Power the unit on by pressing the power button and the device is now ready to take measurements. And that's what's in the box with the PT100 Waterproof Thermometer with Probe. For more information on this meter, including videos and how you can contact an Instrument Choice scientist for more information, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.